Good morning, students. Welcome to Standard 12th. I hope you all are enjoying lockdown. Today we are going to start our accountancy part 1, lesson number 3, Goodwill. Chapter number 3, Goodwill. It is very short and simple lesson. It starts on page number 89 to 106. What is goodwill? Let's have some definition. Goodwill is an intangible asset which shows the reputation of a firm in the market. Same way, goodwill is the value of the reputation of a firm in respect to the profit earning over and above the expected profit. There are many definitions for goodwill. In simple words, you can also say that purchasing power of a firm or a person in market on credit is also known as goodwill. Now, let's have some factor affecting value of goodwill. There are many factors affecting value of goodwill. Some of them are nature of business. Nature of business means the types of business. For example, a small business will have a small goodwill and a large business will have large goodwill. The next one is location of business. Location of business you can simply understand by the business or a firm which will be in market or in the center of market will have the large goodwill, and the business which far from the market will have less goodwill. Same way, next factor is period of business. Period of business means the firm which is running by 10 or 15 years will have more goodwill than a firm started from 1 or 2 years. The next point is market situation. Market situation means what? If the market is down, the value of firm will be also less. If the market situation is good, the value of goodwill also be good. The next point is efficiency of manager. Manager plays an important role in firm. A good manager can help our firm or business to reach a high position. So, efficiency of manager, the capability of manager also plays an important role in development of goodwill. Now, let's see planning to score 6 marks in board exam. This lesson contains 6 mark weightage in board exam. Now, let's target our 6 mark to score in board exam. Now, let's see the board exam pattern for this chapter and what the government has given us in your textbook for this chapter as content. So, board exam pattern. Section A, question number 2, one MCQ will be for 1 mark in your board exam from this lesson. Same way in section B, question number 11 will be answer in 1 sentence for 1 mark. And in section D, there will be one practical sum of question number 27 for 4 marks. So, like this, there will be total 6 mark weightage in your board exam. Now, let's have a look on textbook contents. There are total 18 pages for this lesson in your books. There are 9 illustrations in your textbook and 9 sums in exercise. So, in short, we can say that only 18 practical sums we have to work to get 4 marks in board exam. So it's very good deal to work for that 18 practical sums. Now let's see the method of valuation of goodwill. There are total 5 methods given in your textbook to find goodwill. The first method to find goodwill is simple average profit method. The next one is weighted average profit method. Third method is super profit method. Fourth one is capitalization of profit method, and the last one is super profit capitalization method. So let's start with average profit method. It's very simple method. In simple average profit method, we'll divide into 2 steps. In first step, we'll find the average profit of the firm. That is, average profit is equal to total profit of given year divided by number of year. Now we'll go for step 2. Step 2 is for goodwill. So goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year purchase. Now let's have a look on an illustration to find goodwill by this method. Illustration 1. We have to determine value of goodwill based on 3 years purchase of last 5 year average profit. So in table, average profits for 5 years are given. That is, on 2011-12 there is 2 lakh profit, 2012-13 2 lakh 10,000, 2013-14 there is 1 lakh 90,000, 2014-15 2 lakh 15,000, and on 2015-16 there is profit of 2 lakh 20,000. Now we'll start by step 1. Step 1, that is average profit is equal to total profit of given year divided by number of year. So total profit of firm is 2 lakh plus 2 lakh 10,000 plus 1 lakh 90,000 plus 2 lakh 15,000 plus 2 lakh 20,000. That is 10 lakh 35,000, and number of years are 5. So the average profit of this firm will be 2 lakh 7,000. Now we will go for step 2. Step 2 is equal to goodwill. Goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year purchase. So average profit we got, that is 2 lakh 7,000, and number of year purchase given in question, that is 3 years of purchase. So the goodwill of this firm will be 6 lakh 21,000. Now what happens if there is certain loss for certain years in business of firm? How will find goodwill in such situation? By average profit method. So let's have an illustration for such type of situation. We'll follow the same 2 steps. We'll find the average profit and we'll find the goodwill for firm. Now let's have an illustration of such loss. Now in illustration 2, we have to determine the value of goodwill based on 5-year purchase of last 4-year average profit. So in table we can see that on 2012 to 13 there is a profit of 1 lakh rupees. 2013 to 14 there is profit of 1 lakh 20,000, and in 2014 to 15 there is a loss of 40,000, and in 2015 to 16 there is profit of 60,000. So let's find the goodwill for this situation. We'll follow the same 2 steps. Step 1 will find the average profit of firm. So average profit is equal to total profit of given year divided by number of year. So here the difference will be the total profit of given year will be found by adding the profit and minus the loss, such as 1 lakh plus 1,20,000 minus 40,000 loss plus 60,000 profit, that is 2,40,000, and divided by number of year, that is 4. 2,40,000 divided by 4, that is 60,000 average profit of firm. So now we have find average profit of firm, that is 60,000. Now we'll go for step 2 to find goodwill. So step 2, goodwill is equal to average profit into number of year purchase. So average profit of firm is 60,000 and number of year purchase given in question, that is 5. So we'll multiply 60,000 into 5 year purchase. We'll get the answer is 3 lakh rupees. So the value of goodwill of this firm is 3 lakh rupees. So today we will end our class here. Let's recall what you have learned today. Today you have learned the definitions of goodwill and one method to find goodwill. We'll continue our class in next video. In next video, we'll continue our next two methods, weighted average profit method and super profit method. So stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.